Welcome to devopspal. Today, we're diving into a critical topic for anyone using Windows 10, the end of support. It's a phrase you've probably heard, but what does it really mean for you and your devices? Let's break it down and explore the implications. Microsoft will end support for Windows 10, a widely used operating system that has been a staple for many businesses and individuals alike. This significant event is scheduled to occur on October 14, 2025. Mark your calendars because this is a date you need to be aware of. This marks a major milestone for millions of users worldwide, signaling a shift in how we approach our digital security and system maintenance. After this date, the landscape of your Windows 10 experience will change dramatically. There will be no more security updates released by Microsoft for the standard version of Windows 10. And, crucially, no more bug fixes will be provided to address any issues that arise. As a result, your device will be increasingly exposed to new and evolving threats in the cyber world. Microsoft support teams won't be there to help you navigate these challenges, leaving you to fend for yourself against potential security breaches. Now, your computer won't suddenly stop working the day after the deadline. However, it'll gradually become less safe and reliable over time, as vulnerabilities accumulate and remain unpatched. Think of it like driving a car that can't get safety recalls or certified service. The car might run for a while, but the risks increase with each passing day. Eventually, the risks associated with using an unsupported system will far outweigh the convenience of sticking with what you know. The digital world evolves at an incredibly fast pace, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging constantly. Running an unsupported system is essentially a gamble with your data and privacy, as you become an easier target for malicious actors. Staying on Windows 10 after the end-of-life date means accepting a growing number of security vulnerabilities that will never be addressed. This means no official fixes, no patches, and no support from Microsoft to protect you from emerging threats. So, let's take a closer look at why continuing to use Windows 10 after the end of support is a risk you really shouldn't be willing to take. Sticking with Windows 10 after its end-of-life date, when official support concludes, is a really big risk, a gamble that could cost you dearly. It's like leaving your front door unlocked in a high-crime area. Without those crucial security updates, which are essentially digital vaccines, any newly discovered vulnerability immediately becomes a permanent, wide-open door for hackers and malicious actors. They're constantly looking for these weaknesses. Your device could be swiftly hit by ransomware, holding your precious files hostage, insidious spyware, silently stealing your data, or a host of other nasty viruses. And if you're connected to a network, whether at home or in an office, you could inadvertently put others at significant risk too, spreading the infection like wildfire. Businesses face serious compliance issues with regulations like GDPR and the potential for hefty fines, while everyone, both individuals and organizations, risks devastating data loss and serious privacy breaches. Over time, you'll find that new apps and hardware simply won't be compatible with Windows 10, and eventually even web browsers will cease to support it, leaving you stranded. The inevitable result? A slower, less stable system prone to crashes and errors, and an increasingly isolated computer cut off from the latest advancements and security measures. Upgrading to a supported operating system is the only responsible way to stay secure, protected, and fully connected in today's digital world. Considering upgrading to Windows 11? It's more than just about safety. It's about unlocking a significantly better user experience and a more productive way to interact with your computer. The redesigned interface is modern, clean, and intuitive, making navigation a breeze. You'll find incredibly useful features like snap layouts, which allows for effortless multitasking and organization of your open windows. Robust security is built right in, with stringent hardware requirements like TPM2 and Secure Boot enabled by default to protect your valuable data and privacy from the ground up, offering peace of mind. Windows 11 is noticeably faster, more responsive to your commands, and meticulously optimized to take full advantage of the latest advancements in hardware and software. The seamless integration of Microsoft Teams makes connecting and collaborating with friends, family, and colleagues more seamless and intuitive than ever before. And for gamers, Windows 11 delivers better visuals and significantly faster game load times, enhancing the overall gaming experience. All the new features, regular updates, and dedicated support are now primarily focused on Windows 11, ensuring you're always running the best and most up-to-date operating system. Upgrading to Windows 11 keeps your PC relevant, secure, and fully ready to embrace the future of computing. Before upgrading, check if your PC meets Windows 11's requirements. You'll need a 64-bit processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, TPM2, and secure boot. Most PCs from 2016 onward have these features, but you may need to enable them in your BIOS. Use Microsoft's free PC Health Check app to see if your device is eligible. If your PC passes, the upgrade is free for Windows 10 users. If not, consider planning for a new device before the 2025 deadline. Ensuring compatibility now means a smoother, safer transition. Ready to upgrade? Start by running the PC Health Check app. If your PC is compatible, you'll get the upgrade through Windows Update or Microsoft's Installation Assistant. Always back up your important files. Before upgrading, use an external drive or cloud storage for safety. Only use official Microsoft tools to avoid malware. Don't wait until the last minute. Plan your upgrade early to avoid stress and stay protected. Upgrading now means you'll enjoy new features and peace of mind. For more tips and updates, subscribe to devopspal.